Onstream app review features, tips, and full demo. Looking for free movies and TV shows? Let's dive into Onstream app, its features, tips, and full demo. Onstream offers free streaming of movies, TV shows, and live channels. No login required, and it works across Fire Stick, Android, and iOS via side loading. The app also uses AI recommendations to suggest content. Now, pros include free access, simple navigation, and personalized suggestion, but cons are clear. It's not on official app stores, legality of content is questionable, and ads can be intrusive. So, to use the OnStream app safely, download only from trusted sources. Keep the app updated, avoid sharing personal info, and consider using a VPN for privacy. So open the app, browse categories, tap a movie, and start streaming instantly. Navigation is straightforward with search and favorites available. Risks include security issues with APKs and possible copyright concerns. OnStream is convenient for free streaming, but safer alternatives like Pluto TV, Tubi, or Plex may be better for long-term use. Bottom line, OnStream is a free streaming option with trade-offs. Use wisely and always prioritize safety. And that is our OnStream app review.